Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Lesson number 14, Tenses. The tense of the verb tells us the time of the action. It tells us whether the action has taken place in the past, is taking place in the present, or will take place in the future. Verbs that are used to tell the action takes place in the present are written in present tense. Verbs that are used to tell that the action took place in the past are written in past tense. Verbs that are used to tell that the action will take place in the future are written in future tense. Example: Ketan goes to school. Goes, present tense. Ketan went to school. Went, past tense. Ketan will go to school. Will go is future tense. The three tenses are further categorized. Read the table given below to understand the different tenses. Simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense. The boy plays football. The verb plays is simple present tense. The boy played football. Played is simple past tense. The boy will play football. Will play is simple future tense. Next. The boy is playing football. Is playing is present continuous tense. The boy was playing football. The was playing is past continuous tense. The boy will be playing football. Will be playing is future continuous tense. Next, the boy has played football. Has played is present perfect tense. The boy had played football. Had played is past perfect tense. The boy will have played football. Will have played is future perfect tense. Simple tense. Simple present tense is used to talk about universal facts, habits, scheduled future actions, and actions that are happening now. Universal fact: the earth revolves around the sun. Habit: Jerry goes to the park every day. Fact: he likes chocolates. Scheduled future action: our sports day function is next week. Simple past tense is used for actions in the past when something is reported by someone, that is in the indirect speech, past habits, and when we wish for something that cannot come true. Indirect speech, that is in reporting, Ben told that he won the prize. Past habit: we were best friends. Wish: I wish I were as tall as you. Past action: Jason wrote a letter to his father. Simple future tense is used to denote actions that will take place in the future. An action in future: he will go to La Vegas tomorrow. Continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are taking place at the time of speaking about them. Action that is happening now. Example, Sharon is reading the chapter on dinosaurs. So, is reading is present continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to talk about actions that were taking place at some time in the past. Past continuous tense is also used to talk about an action that was going on when another took place. Action that was happening in the past. Example, Cheryl was reading a story book. Was reading is past continuous tense. Action that was going on when another action took place. Example, father was watching TV when mother called him. Was watching is past continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be taking place sometime in the future. Action that will be happening in future. Example, he will be participating in the race next month. Will be participating is in future continuous tense. Perfect tense. Present perfect tense tells that the action has just been completed. Example, the cat has eaten its food. So, has is in present perfect tense. Past perfect tense is used to denote that an action was completed before another action took place in the past. Example, the girl had drunk the water before she ate her food. So, had drunk is in past perfect tense. Future perfect tense tells about an action in the future before another action in the future. Example, by 6 p.m. tonight, I will have finished this book. So, will have finished is future perfect tense.